put our feet out.
Leg out. No, not all feet. Well,
Yeah.
Where are the grizzlies? I'm coming.
Right here.
Oh my goodness. Guys, we're going to Colorado. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to take you with me. I've never freaking been to Colorado. I have wanted to go, like everyone in my family's been, all of my friends have been. I feel like everyone on the earth has been to Colorado except for me. So yeah, I'm still packing my makeup and I figured that some of you guys would probably want to see, so let's pack some makeup. Acknowledge my hat because I am freaking obsessed with it, but Sam does not like it. He thinks it's dumb, so if everyone could leave a comment and tell Sam to shut up about it, that'd be really great. So we're all packed and ready to go. We have our little helper here, little Coconut. Are we in Colorado yet? Not yet, baby.
Hi, baby! Hi.
Look at all this luggage we have.
You're
With
stuck.
lots of luggage back here.
Wait, really?
Yes.
No way. Me.
Everyone say we made it to Colorado.
Let's go left.
There's a standalone Urban Decay store.
What are we doing here?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna go to Sephora.
That's your tiki bag.
That's ours. Grab it.
Good grabs.
Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. I did a quick little change because we're gonna go downtown because it's Saturday night, so we're gonna get lit.
no.
We're probably just gonna grab a quick bite to eat.
Welcome to the Mike putting on his shoes show.
Elena, I'm pooping.
Oh, here's the Megan tying her shoes show. This is the most exciting vlog I've ever filmed.
Hey, come get on this elevator with me.
Are you trying to be seductive right now? Where are we going? You said we're going to Low something?
Costa Lodo.
We're going to Loa downtown.
Welcome.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one.
Okay, stop.
Oh, look at that one. Oh,
There's another one.
with things they think they know, baby, that's why I just do
We're getting some good tuna. Good tuna? I meant to say sushi, and I said tuna. We're getting some good sushi.
Alright, I'm going for it.
Mike's really enjoying his burrito.
Mike, that's not the right part. Pull it out of your mouth.
Okay, here it goes. I'm gonna take it now. I wish I had my cats. I wish I could sleep on my cats.
Look at this outfit. It's so balanced. She's got the hat and the scarf, and then her hair adds the vibrancy, and the olive
Looks good with it.
What about my leg and my
and then
boot?
she's got her boot.
Can you not be
And
only cute
everything
for a
has
moment? You
this
have to do
very
something like that.
She looks like Altered State.
Good night, guys. We'll see you in the morning.
Look, Mike got a new hat.
Hi,
Mike,
I'm-
take that hat off.
I'm Mike.
I'm
go shopping?
At Sephora.
Cherry Creek Mall to be specific.
I know that I want to get a lip plumper. I don't know what else I want. That's the main thing that I want.
I want to get a primer and a tinted moisties for my face.
Now we probably won't be able to film in there because Sephora is very strict on their filming policies, but we'll catch you around. I just love this snow so much, and I know that my camera lens is all speckled. Okay, let's go get some noodles. Are we gonna go get noodles? Can we get some noodles? Come on, I want noodles. Come on, guys. Catch up. Oh my goodness. Don't. Hi. We're going to get noodles. We just ate at this noodle place. So freaking good. They had like a bunch, I thought it was gonna be mostly Asian, but it turned out they had like buffalo mac and cheese, which is my favorite ever. Like as soon as Sam saw that on the menu, he was like, that's what you're getting. And I was like, yeah, I know. Now we're heading to Sephora. It's real? No, it's not. Oh, I actually caught one. We got the goods. We actually had to order several things online because they were out of stock on like half of the stuff that we wanted, which is fine because we still got to use our 20% off. Yes. But now we just have to wait. But I got a powder that I spontaneously chose to get because I've been wanting it for so long. It's the Laura Mercier Candlelight. We're going into a store now, so I'm gonna stop filming. Alright guys, here is our cabin. Quick little tour. This is our room. Say hello.
Hi.
What's in here? Oh, Hillary is waiting for you. And there is the beautiful
But they switched the amount.
and it's so cute. It's so cozy.
My coffee.
Woodsy. And here's the kitchen. The drive was like an hour and a half, but it really took us like 2 hours to get here because we made stops and stuff like that. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do we love the cabin?
9.
Hey, Aaron.
It's a solid 9.
Aaron, say hi to the
I know you're
vlog.
asking. Hey, vlog, how's it going?
Longtime friend of the family, so.
How's it going? Going to find the Blair Witch.
We're going looking for Krampus. I think Krampus is in these woods.
Are we ready? Ready. Hi, good morning. So, I haven't said anything since last night, so welcome to our hike. We're in freaking Silverthorne, and it's freaking beautiful out here. We're filming with my new stabilizer, so you may notice some nice camera shots. Let's go hike. There's a lot of snow.
All the nutrients we need.
Where's Mike? Are you serious? Don't get me started, Megan. Are you kidding me, Aaron? Ready for the shot? Ready, 1, 2, 3.
It says Mike.
Mike, is that you?
Are you filming, Sam?
What's our other option?
No? Okay.
Do we know anything about the Buffalo Cabin Trail?
Suspense.
Are you happy, Megan?
Yes.
Are you guys ready to see this? Look at this amazing amazing freaking view right here. Okay, I know that my mascara is smudging and I look like a crazy person, but we just got done hiking and oh my gosh, it was like incredible. Freaking incredible. We are going inside now. We're gonna change. I'm gonna run to the grocery store with Megan and we're gonna get some stuff for dinner. See you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? So we are going on our second day of hiking. We just got up, we made some breakfast. It was a pretty basic morning. I uploaded my wear test for today, so if you want to see that, I'll link it right here or right here. What are we doing? We're going to see a lake.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's gonna be a shorter one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a shorter one and it's not as much elevation as last time. Last time was pretty brutal. Everyone's like, yes. It's gonna be, what, only it was like 655 incline? Yeah, 650 feet of elevation total. Yeah. I didn't put on any makeup this time because we're probably gonna go to Breckenridge later. So I'm just gonna do it all then. So let's go hiking. Look at these boys learning the importance of SPF. They're getting all fancy with my Shiseido SPF.
I can feel the moisturization.
I had my first nosebleed ever in my life. I was just like getting ready and Sam was like, Delana, your nose is bleeding. And I was like, oh, awkward. It was pretty weird. I've never had a nosebleed before. And then I was like, why does my mouth taste like iron?
Right now I got this cool shot.
Check this out. Don't. You ready to go hiking, Aaron?
Oh yeah.
Ready for day 2 of the hikings?
Got my beef jerky.
What kind of beef jerky did you get?
That was a prime rib.
Prime rib for a prime man. Oh, there goes Sam. He's sledding all by himself.
Ouch.
Mike, how you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Dang, look at this freaking view over here.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye, Aaron. Bye, Sam. I'm gonna sled down this very slight slope.
What do you guys think?
Gotta get hurt real bad. Yeah, it looks kind of dangerous. Real bad. I'd rank this maybe a double black grade.
Well, there are rankings for sled hills? Wow, I wasn't aware.
Apparently, you're not an experienced sledder.
Show us how it's done.
I don't know how it's done.
Yeah.
I've never done this before.
Here Beelzebooz comes! Woo! Yay!
I want to do it again. There she comes! There she comes!
Perfect.
You guys, I don't even really know where we are, but this is amazing. What's this trail called?
It's the Tenderfoot.
The Tenderfoot Loop, because we have
Tenderfoot Trail.
tender, sensitive feet. But look at this!
Make me the thumbnail.
Probably. Look at this view, guys. Oh my gosh. It's freaking gorgeous.
Wowee. Put our feet out.
We'll put one leg out.
No, not all feet. Well,
Oh my god! What the heck? Look at this one. This is probably one of the highest points that we're gonna be at. It's very cold up here. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of little tiny baby Christmas trees. Tiny baby Christmas trees.
Okay, everybody come up to the top. Because we're all going to sled.
Hey,
If
come
you're
up
not
to the
going to
top.
sled, you're dead.
We're gonna pave the way.
Well, it'll be good for us.
Oh no! Are you okay? Mike, what happened?
He died.
Oh. How was it?
It was cold, a little wet.
Worth it?
Yeah.
I'm going to crash. I don't want to do it if I'm going to crash.
No, you won't crash, but you probably will. So.
Wait,
Go ahead,
what
Aaron.
was that last thing?
No, go ahead, Aaron.
Wait, that makes me nervous.
Why didn't you crash, Aaron? Sled?
sled into that.
Ooh. Hi. After that little fun sledding trip, I'm still just sitting here. They are over there getting all of our stuff because we are gonna start heading down the mountain now. We've been hiking for probably a good hour and a half, couple hours. We are going to go get ready for Breckenridge and we're gonna go probably eat and then have a night on the town. Where are the grizzlies? I'm coming. Right here. Oh my goodness. They're running. Why are the grizzlies running? Get them. Punch the life out of them. Suck his life out. Why are they punching each other?
I turned them against each other. It's a scare tactic.
Oh, you saved the crew.
I got you, camera lady.
So we're gonna go get drinks at this little distillery over here, and then we're gonna head to see the rest of Breckenridge.
You all right? You all right there?
Yes, I almost fell over. Nobody cares.
We are in the cutest little town called Breckenridge, and oh my gosh, freaking look at all this. My husband is telling me to check something out. It says, his money, her money.
Okay, let's get a 1 to 10.
So the reason why today was the best day is because Sam broke his whole hand. Look. No fingers anymore.
Shake my hand. Good. I'm feeling great, yeah. You know, hanging out with these jokers all day.
So you think this is a joke? And then there's Mike.
Where are we?
We're in Idaho Springs, Colorado. Time for some coffee. Taking a sippity sip. The lid wasn't on. I don't want to leave. I'm not ready to go home. I want to stay in the mountains forever. It's too good up here. Hello from Mount Evans. We're in this beautiful, beautiful mountain area. Wow, it is so gorgeous and cold. This is pretty much our last shebang before we start heading to the airport here pretty soon. But I'd have to say this is the last thing that we do. This is a great way to end the trip. I think that looks pretty good. 1, 2, 3.
Anyone on Southwest Flight 753.
We're gonna go see two little ladies, Coconut and Nutmeg.